Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can add Telegram accounts on Telegram desktop, using your phones. Feel free to like the video and subscribe for more. The coolest part of Telegram is that, you can add up to 3 accounts with different phone numbers to your Telegram app. You can also add up to 3 accounts on Telegram desktop as well. Now, I am on my phone. I first open Telegram app on my phone. Then, click on the 3 bars at the top. As you can see, I have 3 accounts. I will add the 3rd account on my Telegram desktop. To do that, I go to Settings. Then to Devices. And then, click on Link Telegram Desktop. Now, I go to Telegram Desktop. Click on the 3 bars at the top. As you can see, I have only 1 account on my Telegram desktop. To add accounts, I click on Add Accounts. Then, an SQ code will appear. Finally, I bring my phone back and scan it. I put my cloud password in, and click on Submit. Now, I have successfully added the account on my PC. You can see that, the 3rd account being added to my Telegram desktop.